Hi friends, in this video, I'll talk about the basics of mail merge. Now imagine you have drafted a sample appointment letter, the date of which you can change anytime. However, this appointment letter must be given to multiple people who are expected to join your company. And I'm going to show you the names of those few people. So here we have a data with first name, last name, date of joining, annual CTC, that is cost to company, and the same amount in words. Now, me copy pasting this data to the Word document for every individual employee will consume a lot of time. So is there a way by which I can generate this appointment letter addressed to all these people with the specific data relating to them? Yes, we will. And we will do that through mail merge. Now, how is that performed? Let me show you how. First things first, I will ask you to go to Mailings tab. Under Mailings tab, you will notice on the left hand side something called Start Mail Merge. Please click on it. Next, go to the last option which says Step by Step Mail Merge Wizard. Once clicked upon, it will show you a panel on the right hand side. Now it's asking you to choose the template or the letter which has to be made for every employee. That first option is already chosen, so I will click on Next so that I can go to step 2 of 6. It's asking me, are you wanting to use the current document? Yes. So I go to the next step, and here you'll be given an option to browse a computer to look out for the Excel file which contains the detail of all employees. So I do that by clicking on Browse, going to my desktop, clicking on New. Under the test folder, I have this Excel file called offer letter. And once I do that, I will instantly get a small tables layout which talks about the sheet that is present in that Excel file. I press OK. So I can see from sheet 1 the different field headings and the data underneath them. If you wish, you can exclude some of the names or keep it included for the next step. I press OK. Next, I will go to the Step 4. Now here is the second important thing of the exercise. The address field must be placed at the appropriate positions under the letter. So for example, I should have the name and the last name after the heading 2. I delete these lines. I go to Mailings. Under Mailings, I go for Insert Merge Fields. And these are the same headings that you would have seen under the Excel file. So I click on Title. I press a space. I go to Insert Merge Fields again. And then I click on First Name field. Again a space. And then again to Insert Merge Fields to be able to take up last name. Next, you are requested to join the office on. I must include the date of joining of the respective employees. So I delete the underscores. And then I go back to Insert Merge field and I say date of joining. Your annual CTC will be, I must add the few letters indicating rupees, the currency, deleting the extra underscores, and again going to Insert Merge fields and picking up CTC rupees, putting a space, bracket open, and within the bracket I want to depict the CTC amount in words. So finally, I go back to Insert Merge Fields again and pick up the field list called CTC words. And then I close the bracket and end the sentence. Now, if I wish to see how will this appear once I finish the merge, you can click on the button saying Next, preview your letters. Yes, it is showing me one preview and it is saying to Ms. Joanne Parker, you're requested to join the office on 9th Feb 2016. Your annual CTC will be rupees 17 lakh and 10,000. Of course, you must change the date of the letter. So I'm keeping this 1st Jan 2016. And then once you have finalized the output and are happy with the layout, you must complete the merge. So I go to the next step, that is the last step. And I say, let's print it. Once you click on print, it asks you, do you want to print all the records? I will say yes. And as I press yes, or OK, it might ask me for the printer name or the PDF software application. If you do not want to convert to a PDF form or do not want to take a printout right now, you can close this and say edit individual letters and then press OK. What it then does is it creates those letters in different pages of the same Word document. Notice the names: Mr. Rishabh Pugalia, Mr. Ashok Jain, and the last employee be Miss Joanne Parker. So friends, this was the basics of mail merge. Please practice this one to get a good hands-on knowledge on how to use mail merge in your future work assignments.